Hi, I'm Kevin from Mac Mason Training and Repairs. We're servicing the New South Wales area between Katoomba and Bathurst. Don't forget to click subscribe.
Hey Brian, the cat hacked your password again.
Wait, what? Again? I just changed that password 2 years ago.
Hey, I got an idea. Replace the lowercase p with an uppercase P, the S for a 5, and then the 0 for an O, other way around, and then a 1.
Unfortunately, Brian's clever idea wasn't unique.
Hey bro, I have an idea.
Hey, I have an idea.
Hey, I have an
Hey,
idea.
y'all, I have an idea.
Hey,
Mom,
I've got an idea.
Hey, I have an idea.
Hey,
I have an idea.
Zoe,
I have
hab
an
ein
idea.
Hey, j'ai une idée.
It not only wasn't unique, it's actually rather common. Can you guess the bad password? Honestly, they're all pretty bad. You learn how to get past these kind of passwords in the first week of hacking school. Hackers will use what is called the Rockyou password list, which has over 14 million passwords.
Wait, what? Oh, I need to add more ones to the end of my password.
Again? No, we're just gonna skip this part. You get the idea. So what does a good password look like? A good password is going to be really hard to remember. It's going to be random numbers and letters. And the reason why this is important is because it's not found in any list anywhere. The best way that you can have a good password and remember it every single time is to use a software like Bitwarden. And no, they're not paying us. We just really like their software a lot.